Hey guys, so today I'm gonna try the new Burger King Firecracker cookie pie. It's for limited time, so I just got it right now. So today I'm gonna review the taste of this pie, and if it's good or not, I'm gonna give a thumbs up. All right, so here goes nothing. All right, so look at it. All right, let's see. It tastes like a little sugar cookie flavor. So yeah, you got some like red and blue star sprinkles, and it's like tastes like a little bit of cheesecake, but a little bit sweet. So yeah, Burger King Firecracker cookie pie. It's good. So everyone, please like and subscribe. All right, thanks guys.